So congratulations, now that you've built an application within PowerApps, now you need to be able to view it and send it to your users to use. You can do that within PowerApps itself, or you can actually do it within Teams. So stay tuned, we're gonna go over quickly both options. Option one is within PowerApps. You've created it here, you're good to go. You're just gonna go here and hit share, and then you're gonna say share. And did you notice it said add to Teams? We're gonna do that. So here you can share it, and then you can name who you want to share it with, copy the link, all of that, manage their access, tell them what they can do, right? Okay, all that good stuff. So remember that you have to share the data as well. So whatever list or Dataverse or whatever it is, it has to have the rights. The individual accessing needs those rights as well. Okay, so this is one way that you could do it. Another way you can do it is to add it to a Teams channel. So one way you can do that is just to right here and then say add to Teams. When you say add to Teams, then it will come up and say, okay, so where do you want to add it? We're not going to actually do it on this one. We're going to add it a different way, but you can do that. But let's add this personal task manager to our Teams channel. So before we go there though, we're inside of Teams right here, okay? And so, you know, there's activity, there's all kinds of things, and then there's teams. And you have channels within the team. And although we're not going to really talk about channels tonight, you can create a new channel as well called add channel. But here, general is the default. This is the username. Now, once you click on here, I can add all types of things. We were just in the mobile app or mobile PM. And you notice here that it's queuing out to PowerApps, and then it pulls in the app. So let's go ahead and add another Power App. You just click that little button, click there, and the one we want to add is our Task Manager. So we're going to go ahead. It's looking for all the apps that I have access to. Task Manager is it. We're going to say save. And now, all of a sudden, this information, this Power App is going to appear. You can do whatever you want inside of the app. Okay, so it's fully functional at that point. So on the mobile app, it's functional as well, right? You can click and away you go. Everything seems to be working. Splendid, right? And then you put in your evaluation, you hit go, whatever, or you take your camera or whatever you want to do. So that is really the thick and thin of using Power Apps within Teams. Now, one last thing I want to show you. You can make this a full screen. So let's turn over to Property Manager. And let's say that we want an expanded view. So you can see the view here. We can always hit maximize on our Windows Internet Explorer. But here, I'm just going to expand the view from here. So I'm going to hit expand view. Notice it just gave me more real estate, filled up everything. If I go bigger with this window, it'll go along with me. So that's kind of cool, huh? And so you can do that and get all of the information you need. Additionally, or I guess when you're done, you can just click on these two arrows right here and they'll collapse it right back. So basically you're just getting rid of this information over here. Okay, so nice little tip, easy to do, and that's basically how you operate within Teams, your application's native inside of your Teams environment. Hey, good luck.